Next thing we're going to look at is creating assembly sections. Once again, these are super easy to use, super simple, and they're more about visual looking at things. They're not about creating sections for drawings. We'll do that a whole nother way. It'll be a whole different thing in the drawing part of the lessons. This is only about seeing inside of a part or seeing inside of an assembly. So we come up here to view, and you'll notice over here in view, there's kind of this nondescript area here. We have sections. See, we have quarter section view, half section view, 3/4, and we can end it. So if I hit quarter section view here, I can come in here to the origin planes. You can see I selected on one origin plane. I can select on the other origin plane. And you can see there, evidently the origin plane must have been over in the corner. I can undo that by saying end. I could actually select on this plane here. And then for the next one, I can actually drag it. So you can see what it looks like on the inside. See what I want to see here. So now I've cut this down to a quarter section view. Switch back over to a 3/4. To me, this is the really neat stuff. It looks like a movie or something. You ever seen that movie Fifth Element where they recreate a person? Like a 3D printing type thing. You can see it building it up layer by layer. And then you can go and you can pick the next one and do it all over again. And you can see there. Very neat. And I was able to section different parts at different times. And end. Most of the time whenever I do this, it is a true legitimate reason to do it. Right now I'm doing it for fun, but I'll do like a half usually. That's the majority of what I do. I want to see inside of it. When I get done, hit OK. It will stay like this forever and ever until I come up here and say end section view. As long as this is active, it'll stay active. This means nothing though. Has nothing to do with the weight of the part, has nothing to do with the drawing of the part. This is only so that you can get in here and apply constraints and zoom in a little bit and maybe add a new belt to our pulleys here. You know, we need to make sure that we have the right bearing or whatever. We can zoom in and look at it. We can make sure we have the right roller here. You know, this is a purchase part, so we got to see, okay, does this have the neoprene on the outside of it or is it stainless? Okay, this one's a stainless roller. That's okay, or it's not okay. When we get done, always remember to hit end. Freaks users out if they don't know how to use this and they open up a drawing and it looks like this. If you work with somebody who's never seen the section view before, wait till they go to lunch, section their parts, and then watch the hilarity ensue when you get back from lunch. As they will freak out when they can't figure out why their part's like this. A lot of people forget about this or overlook this, but it's a real powerful way to see inside and be able to select inside of this. And you can see I could actually come in here and start constraining things based on that section. Hit OK when you get done. So I can come in here and it actually still sees the part, still sees the whole thing. It just allows me to get in here and see better, kind of gets everything out of the way. So it's not really getting rid of the part. I can still select the rest of it. It just allows me to get in there and manipulate and see more objects and see inside of the part. Kind of turns it translucent almost. Play with that some, see what you can do. Once again, it's another fun tool to play with. It's not a whole lot to it. Have some fun with it.